Okay, so today I'm going to show you our labeler, filler, and capper. Today I will only demonstrate though our filler and capper, and these processes only happen when a bottle is underneath that, and you'll see this as this machine starts. When you do activate the machine, make sure you have no bottles in the disc and your auto loader is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click auto on and let's get started. You can see the bottles are going to fill up the disc, and as soon as the first bottle gets to the filler, stuff kind of slows down because we are filling. And so our first bottle's filled, and I'm going to be the operator, so I'm going to just throw a cap on the top of it. And our capper's going to activate now. So we're filling and capping. And then our next process is ejecting out. We will do this 5 times. We're just going to fill and cap 5 bottles. This is just for demonstration. And this will be our last one here. And 5th bottle now. So we have our filler. I'm an operator putting the eyedropper in, capper, and of course the labeler. If you have any questions on this, please let us know at www.rockymountainplc.com. Thanks for checking us out.